tech plumbing in the town. Carlos Hero won't let you down. Eugene Springfield calls him proud, fixing leaks and heating loud. High-tech plumbing here to stay. Every drip just fades away. Carlos on the job today. Customer smiles, light the way. Pipes are seeing one once again. Carlos is your closest friend. HVAC's cool when Carlos comes. Service #1, thumbs up. High-tech plumbing here to stay. Every drip just fades away. Carlos on the job today. Customer smiles, light the way. Morning, night, or even noon, Carlos gets your house in tune. With a wrench and trusty tape, from disaster you escape. High-tech plumbing here to stay, here to stay. Every drip just fades away, just fades away. Carlos on the job today, job today. Customer smiles, light the way. Ooh.